can see this is pretty much the home screen of the AI application here. And in this section here, you have the sample section here, which here you can pretty much create your music, AI music. As you can see here, if I do scroll at the top here, you can select whichever style I want the music to be in. As you can see at the top here, and as well you can select the style of the music. And if I can't see anymore, you can just tap on the more option here and then be able to select all of these, and as well the mood of the song, instrumental, as well if you want piano, guitar, drum, whatever the cases you want to be the instrumental, and as well the style of the song. So once you've selected all of those options, you can either type it for yourself if you want, or based upon you guys. So at the top here, it may say AI model. So all of these AI models give you different results. You can tap on this icon here, and it will pretty much give you a comparison as it relates to each of these AI models. So the higher the AI model, the better the results. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And here you can scroll down a bit. You'll be able to see the description, can give your song a description. If you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on inspiration, and it will just give you something to use. As well, even if you're into your style, you'll be able to add a few more things other than just what they have given you here as well. So down here you have the creativity section. The higher the bar here for this, the more unique the song will be. And you pretty much will need a subscription to use this feature here. So do keep that in mind as well. And you won't be able to use this application here for free. You're going to need a subscription. And you have the explore option here. You're able to see what other songs that other people have created on the application. You have the recommendation section. You can also see the model that they have used to create these songs. You have the version 2.0, which you can see over here, which is pretty much the best AI model to use to create AI songs with this application here. Now the custom section here, nothing much. You'll be able to create your style, but for this year, you'll be able to create your own lyrics or enter your own lyrics. And if you're having problem of thinking anything as it relates to your own lyrics, you can just enter something pretty short and tap on the improved by AI option, and it will just come up with the rest for you. But if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and get your lyrics and so forth and put it in the application, and you're good to go. Down here, be able to select whether you want a male or female to be singing the song, and as well be able to select your song title and so forth. So nothing much for that. As I said before, you're going to need a pro subscription to pretty much use the application overall. So over here, nothing much, just the setting sections you can see there. As I said before, over this section here, you'll be able to see all the music that other people have created on the application. As you can see, you have the new section here, the popular section here, you have the top music section here. As you can see here, pretty much the model that they have used to create these songs. So in the MelodyLab section here, this is pretty much where you see all the music that you have been generated on the application here, and be able to pretty much listen to it and as well download the music. So if I go back in the explore option here, you'll be able to listen to any one of these songs. As you can see there, I can as well tap on it and go ahead and download it for personal use. Some of them may have lyrics, but for this one, it doesn't have any lyrics for you to copy or anything like that. And you'll be able to share it with friends and family and so forth. So down here, this is pretty much the simple music player option where you can put it on repeat, can pretty much fast forward the music, can pretty much shuffle or adjust the music that's going to be played next. Nothing much. So the subscription for this subscription for this AI application here, pretty much I'm just tap on the crown icon at the top, and you'll be able to see your subscription page. So do keep in mind your subscription does give you credits to generate these songs. So you get a certain amount of credit to use, so you won't be able to purchase any more credits. So do use the credits a bit wisely. But anyways, as you can see here, you have the super credit option, and here you do get the option to purchase more credit if your credits have finished. And as well, you can see here you have the credit package down here. You have the super credit and a credit package down here, which you can purchase separately from the subscription. And again, guys, the subscription is different from the credits. So once you purchase the credits, you're going to get a subscription, which pretty much unlocks everything, but you're going to need credits again to unlock these songs. As you can see here at the top here, you do get free songs generation. As you can see here, you get 15 songs per week. And if you don't have any credits, you can pretty much go ahead and purchase credits, which gives you the option to create songs. The subscription does give you options or availability to features and support. So that's really pretty much it for this application. You may see sales like this. If you're going to get your subscription, it may recommend you getting this one here because it's much cheaper, obviously. But anyways, that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if I can help you out.